we're gonna pull the pan off today. I got the block painted and all glittery. So I already took all the bolts out. I'm pretty much just prying it off here. I need to get this side over here. Alright, so now I just need to go ahead and clean all the gasket off, clean both sides, and we're going to go ahead and do the rear main seal right here, and we're going to do the crank seal, which is behind this pulley, which that might be fun to try to get off, but we're going to get it off anyways. I'm just going to spray this with some penetrating oil, and then while that's soaking in, we'll do the rear main seal. This is what I use to pull it. It's actually a screwdriver that I grinded down. That's for specifically what I use it for, is pulling seals. So I just stick it in there and try to pull it out. Well, this one was quite a struggle. I literally had to obliterate this seal carefully and tore all this crap out. I broke my pick, or my puller, and my screwdriver. I had to try to remake this. I finally got it out. Took long enough. Alright, so the rear main is done. Now we can come over here, pull this off. So that was way easier. This one actually looks like it was replaced, which is surprising. So that's out. We'll go ahead and clean that up, and then put the new one in there too. Alright, so crank seal is done, rear main is done. We just need to clean the pan and put the gasket on for that. Alright, so we cleaned off all the RTV that is on the edges of right here and on this side as well. And we cleaned all this surface as well. And then we cleaned the pan. So we got that as clean as we can. There's still a little bit of gunk in there, but the gasket all off and that surface is clean. There's no RTV on that or dirt. And I like to rub my finger on it and make sure that there's no dirt at all. And so we're pretty much ready to put the pan gasket back on now. All the oil pan bolts, they're soaked in engine degreaser. And I got the pan sitting on here for now, but I didn't do the gasket yet because it's nighttime now. So we're going to go ahead and do that in the next video. But I got the gasket here. Everything's all clean. So, yeah, thanks for watching.